And here's how and why you might want to create a referral link that brings traffic back to BizBudding's blog content. For example, this is a blog post all about the most popular social media platforms and which ones might be right for you. This is a very in-depth blog post with a lot of good, valuable content that I think readers will really appreciate. And I want to share this information on Pinterest. And I want to make sure that my referral ID is linked to anyone who happens to click on this blog post, because after they read through the blog post, once they find that BizBudding is sharing very valuable information, they could possibly click on something else like my solution, my hosting, a blogging course, and make a purchase. And I want to make sure that if they do click through and a sale is made, that I get credit for making that sale. So I'm going to copy the URL from this blog post, and you can do this with any other blog post as well. And I'm going to go into the BizBudding affiliate program. I'm going to click on the tab for affiliate URLs to create a referral link that goes back to this specific page. And now I'm pasting this blog post into the referral URL generator. And you can name this campaign. And then click Generate URL. And as you can see, my affiliate ID is 11. It has been put into this URL along with a campaign name. And because this is a really long URL, very busy, I'm going to go to my dashboard and create a simple URL. I'm going to paste in the redirect URL here, and then I'm going to create a title. And then I'm going to publish, and this will create a permalink that I can use here. Basically, you can go into Pinterest, create a new pin, add the destination link here, and then of course create a title and a description about why someone would want to read this blog post, and then of course publish it to any relevant boards I have on Pinterest. I can do the same with Tailwind. And so that is how you can kind of have a soft sale approach using your affiliate links to drive traffic back to BizBudding's site. And once someone clicks on there, then that is recorded as a referral for you. And then when they move on and make a purchase, then your affiliate ID will be linked to that sale and you will get affiliate income.